Good morning guys, that's Lee from Source Sounds up in Sheffield. Just a quick video of this KENWOOD DNX5190 we fitted in this SKODA Yeti for a customer. So I'll just show you that. So a nice looking unit using the Pro Facia kit from ACV. Lovely little system here. So I just turn it on. It's also managed to change the boot up logo. We've got a nice SKODA looking logo there. Just makes it a little bit more factory. This system has FM radio with DAB radio, it's DAB Plus, we've got Bluetooth streaming, it has built-in navigation which is Garmin mapping, which then comes with 3 years free map upgrades. We've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and just putting up just in the glove box here, we've got a couple of cables, black one and a grey one. The black one is if you want to use Apple CarPlay, the grey one is if you can Android and then use Android Auto. Obviously it's now on, you've got the Garmin map system there. So I just come back and go home. So like I said, you've got your Navi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, obviously Bluetooth if you're going to use that instead. So we've also got CD DVD slot, so you can play back your old CDs. We have linked this up to the steering wheel controls, so as you can see on the vehicle there, so we've got volume up and down. So if I just show you back there as I'm using it, obviously your volume's going up and down, that's fine. And then on this car, this had with the original radio that's gone faulty, this had the optical parking display. So if we then just pop it into reverse, we've managed to retain that image as well for the customer. A bit of sun glare there, so you can see there you've got your parking, which we can turn off just by using the parking button there, or basically take back on. Obviously that's showing the front object of the vehicle. Also on this stereo for the customer, we've actually fitted the KENWOOD dash camera. So there you go. So it's a bit blurry. So this is the DRV-N520, and this is controlled from the stereo. So if I just hit the camera button, you can see there we've got the dash camera, and obviously we're parked in front of our building. So you can control this from the stereo. So you've got the touch. You can then do manual recording or snapshots, and then you've just got the settings that you can go into, and then adjust the recording settings and things. So very easy to use, very straightforward, nice and handy. If you want something similar for your vehicle, please give us a call on 0114 257 1550. Thanks for watching.